Christmas break. Now, the students won't be here for like an hour, which is great. Gives me a little bit of time to get some stuff done. Hey, did you guys like the intro? Let me know in the comments. Oh, check out this room. Completely different. Man, it looks good. They even moved the picture. Wow, I'm pretty happy about this. Wonder what they did next door. You know what? I was gonna just sit down and edit, but it's just very clean. Oh, that reminds me. I gotta grab my airbrush gun. Basically what happened was I tried to donate this to the school. They're not really using it too much. And the one I got from, well, it's just not working. So it's time to go back to the old way. And I really do hope to get that new cordless one. My old cordless one didn't really work out too good for me. I really do think the improvements that they made on the next one will be much better. So we'll see how that goes. What do you guys think about maybe we do something like I give one of you guys some money and you go up to Cosmoprof and you buy one of those double foil shavers? Me, the man with the perm and the ear pods and all of that. You want to go?
That's not enough money.
It sure ain't. It sure ain't. Alright, well, I guess I gotta come up with some more. Hold up. You guys are making me break into my reserves. Wrong one. Serious. I have 3 returns to make today, and this is not one of them. Might as well do a quick unboxing on this. But this one is not staying. We want the double. I told you the double.
But they don't have it.
Then don't get it. They had the double earlier when I went over there. This Profoil FX01. Just do a quick unboxing on this. I'm not keeping it. I wanted Kenny to get the double, but Kenny didn't get the double, so at least we can see what this one has inside of it. Fuck the integrity of the box. All that for this little thing? Those things like a Zippo. Kinda cute. Yeah, it appears to be completely dead though. Wait a minute. It's not dead. It appears to come with batteries. I did not know that. Whoa! So that's how it works. Alright, you just hit that button there, pull this up, and let's see what this thing does. Okay, first impressions. Probably the size of it would be kind of fun to work with, maybe for blending, but this thing fits terrible on my face. It really does. Like, it actually feels kind of rough. This thing's going back to the store, and maybe Mr. Kenny can get us the one he was supposed to get in the first place. That's the workflow. Okay. So, Joe, are these big muscles? Are they?
Because we're not paying.
Yeah, this is
That's why I say.
a perfect example of what not to do to your client.
Well, I mean,
All right, for everybody on
I
the
didn't go watch
internet here,
Kenny's videos.
these people claim that they'll never have to cut women's hair.
No, I never.
No, you just said it.
I never said
You
that.
just said it.
I didn't say it.
I got it on
Girls
video.
that want trims and then girls that want like guys cuts.
Yeah, but what kind of trim are you talking about? Blow dry in barber school. All right. You look like you're.
That's how you do it. We got enough time to go. Hold on. Store.
I'm so dumb. And look how dumb you are. I told you they had it. I told you they had it.
No, I got the one because, you know, like, number one.
That's what happens when you send the man to do it.
Yeah. Fabulous Profoil.
You know what they do, right? They go like this.
We'll see if it's as good as they say.
That's a good way to bring your barber. Like a business card.
All right.
Yeah, like,
Oh, yeah, because everybody will pick it up.
flat iron your hair.
Boy, they're gonna You know she gave me after all that, bro? $5.
Come in and I'll turn you up.
That's pretty good.
No, not even a 10.
That's pretty good, bro.
I just did that before.
Well, we got a blinking light to tell us what's up.
40
90 degree. Your hair is so short, you can only really practice the 90 degree with that one. And for you, you're gonna do a blunt cut and then long hair?
I'm looking at
I need to look at the videos, man. I'm rusty on them.
All right, let's get that started. Everybody who needs to look at videos, now is your time. Let's look at videos. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I know we're not gonna elevate like that, right? 0 degrees means 0 degrees. No, I don't mean you hold, look, all that hair is still combed like that. You have to recomb it. You comb the hair up in this position, right? So all that hair is still there, even if you moved it down. I didn't think this was possible with how tangled that mannequin was.
You're doing a 3 on top, right?
A 3? Oh shit. This is a 1, bro.
Nah, I'm playing. I bestowed you the managerial position to ask everybody to clean up.
Sound like they got good power.
Ah! Nah, I'm playing.
They're already better than the wall finales.
Joe making early judgments. He's 3 seconds into using them. He's already said the machine that's been the powerhouse of the century.
You can try and do that. Don't be making no harsh lines, man. You wanna go easier.
Now, I wish I could do this for every one of you guys who are subscribed to me and who are trying to learn. I wish I could sit in your chair and have you cut because I think, honestly, some of the best teaching I've ever done is from getting a haircut. There's been a lot of people who are like just about there and they're making like little mistakes here and there. And I've been able to like identify it right then and there and just tell them make that adjustment, and they always just wind up, you know, doing quite well with it all afterwards.
I come and go like a rah. They don't want the two be going nah. I'm coming back with the money in the bag. The rule is in my lap, yeah, I'm running for the cash. I come and go like a round. Putting in the work like I'm way behind.
Creating YouTube videos for the barber school. Because let's face it, like students are on their phone like 90% of the time. So if you can take over their phone and they're all watching my videos, it's all helping them learn. And it's just a win-win, because if you can take over their phone, then they wind up benefiting from it anyways. It stops them from just scrolling mindlessly on their Instagram and actually spending time at school doing what they should be and learning. Hurt? No. Feel uncomfortable at all? Let me see. Let me feel. Inside my cigarette case. Look, it's black and white. I got you, bro. Good lighter.
What kind of lighter is that?
That's our Fabulous Pro Foil lighter.
Nice.
I mean, it gets even hotter if you take the top off.
What you drinking there?
The hooch. Hey, you want a nip of that? Let me get a nip of that. Alright, don't drink too much. Don't drink too much. You have hair growing anywhere on your head.
Like that, you know.
Yeah, I know. 3 or 4 weeks ago it was covered because we colored it all the way down to the scalp. But as the hair grows out, you're gonna start to see that gray line in 3 or 4 weeks.
So what was going on with the lady?
So the lady's got 4 weeks of regrowth, and she basically wants a free color. This kind of stuff happens at the school. But the truth is, like, if you look on her entire scalp, there's regrowth. It's 100% gray, and there's no way the color would just wash out like that. So, yeah, obviously she's trying to get something for nothing, but whatever. Let's see if we can help her out.
All right, let's go.
Nothing else.
Okay.
Color doesn't just wash out like this. It isn't. So.
Andrea.
Okay, so here's the real story. She came in December 19th, and it is January the 8th. So there's no redo here. I got a feeling she's not gonna like this.
Oh,
Fresh, bro.
When she got out, she's like, I learned so much.
Okay, you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. This concludes Barber Vlog episode 3. and we'll be doing this every Tuesday, and I try to get these videos up by maybe Wednesday or Thursday, depending on how my workflow is looking. But yeah, we're going to keep bringing you these videos. Let me know what you think about them in the comments. I'll see you in my next video, and I'm out.